again. Trying hard, but you wanna be my friend. Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. Here we go again. Call my bluff, I'ma be here till the end. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride.
Hi everyone, this week we welcome you to Budapest, Hungary.
Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't.
Before we continue to this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Enjoy watching! Central Market. The Central or Great Market Hall in Budapest was originally constructed in 1897. It is located on the bank of the Danube in Fórum Square near the Liberty Bridge. It is the largest indoor market in the city. The market has a ground floor where fresh produce is sold, including meats and cheese. On the second floor, there are food stands and some of the best cheap eats in Budapest. Gellert Hill rises 140 meters above Budapest, overlooking the Danube River. The hill is the site of several points of interest. It is also a great place to get a panoramic view across the city. During the 1850s, the Austrian Habsburgs constructed a citadel on top of the hill, as meant to control, protect, and watch over Budapest. When the Habsburg left the city in 1867, the citadel became the property of the city. Today, the hill is a UNESCO designated site. Fishermans Bastion. As a bastion, the site should be more defensive than decorated, but is not the case. The ornate terraces were part of constructions made between year 1895 and year 1902 in celebration of state's 1000th anniversary.
Place to hide, ain't no one to run to. Here we go again. Call my bluff, I'ma be here till the end. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't want.
At the times, the terraces were intended as observation points for looking out across the magnificent views, just as tourists do today.
Wanna change? I can help you out. I can help you out. I can help you out. my friends. Ain't no wonder why, ain't no wonder I too. Here we go again. Call me up and you wanna be my friend. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run.
The Chain Bridge is a 19th century suspension bridge which spans the Danube River connecting the Pest and Buda sides of the city. The Chain Bridge was the first permanent bridge crossing the Danube in Budapest.
Help you out. I can 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 help you out. Look.
Buda Castle. The Buda Castle is a complex of palaces and castles belonging to the Austro-Hungarian kings of the days gone by. It was built first in year 1265. It is located on the southern tip of Castle Hill. The first of these royal buildings was constructed by order from Hungary's King Bela IV between year 1247 and year 1265.
I can help you out. I can help you out. I can help you out. I can help you out.
Heroes Square. Budapest's largest public square was created in year 1896 to mark the 1000th anniversary of the country's birth. The impressive square is located at the end of Andrassy Avenue, next to the city park. The square is easily reached by underground, and the Hero Square's underground station is one of the oldest in the world. It has been operating since year 1896 and is now a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The main attraction of the Hosoktari is the Millennium Monument, which has completed in 1929 and stands in the middle of the square. The monument honors the Magyar tribes which founded the country. This might be the end of our visit here in Budapest, Hungary. But before anything else, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.